Assume the position.
I was fixing my Chevy racing logo.
I thought we were taking a Silverado.
It's like 100 yards out.
Oh,
you
there
old
we go. Now we
bastard.
ran out of tape.
Yep, we're out.
That's the take.
Oh, I got a nibble.
Wow, they're biting over there.
Okay, do it again. Don't save all of
How many
that.
times am I going to be running like this? I got to pace myself.
Well, you gotta. It's cold out. You gotta keep warm.
It broke. I hit hard water. Holy man. We ready?
Ready. I think we're ready. Rolling.
Oh my God.
Another rock.
Why does that keep stopping?
Another rock.
Keep it centered.
He's like, all right.
What? What the hell? I got it. I got water. You better get that out.
But I think we're gonna like that one.
You think? I think the people are gonna be going, oh my God, he just killed himself. How do they plan that?
Do I need a mic or anything?
Yeah, you can hear.
Yeah, take time. I'm freezing my ass off.
What are you using for bait over there?
None of your business. You catching anything?
Still rolling.
What are you using for bait over there?
Hot dog pieces. You want some?
No, I'm good.
Alright.
What are you using for bait over there?
Hot dog pieces. You want some?
No, I'm good. Good.
That was the best delivery.
Clark Griswold. I'm good.
Head over
I'm
here.
good. It's good. It's good.